Ladies and gentlemen, when we look up at the night sky, our gaze often drifts toward the vast expanse of stars, the distant planets, and the mysteries of galaxies beyond. Yet, in the warmth of the sun's embrace lies a small, often overlooked world. Mercury, the first rock from the sun. Today, I invite you to journey with me to this enigmatic planet, a world of extremes, contrasts, and profound cosmic beauty. Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system, is a world of paradoxes. Despite its proximity to the Sun, it is not the hottest planet. That title belongs to Venus. Yet, Mercury experiences the most dramatic temperature swings of any planet, from scorching highs of nearly 430 degrees Celsius, 800 degrees Fahrenheit, during the day, to freezing lows of minus 180 degrees Celsius, minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit, at night. Imagine standing on a surface that is searingly hot under the sun's glare, only to face icy darkness as the sun sets. It is a planet of fire and frost, a testament to the universe's ability to create beauty from extremes. Its surface tells a story etched in time. Mercury is a planet of craters, each one a scar from a collision billions of years ago. Among these craters, the Caloris Basin stands out, a massive impact crater over 1,550 kilometers in diameter. If we were to compare it to Earth, it would cover an area larger than France. This colossal feature is a silent reminder of the violent early days of our solar system, when planets were shaped by endless bombardment. But Mercury is not just a relic of the past, it holds secrets that continue to intrigue us. Beneath its heavily cratered surface lies a massive iron core, making up nearly 85% of the planet's radius. This core generates a magnetic field, albeit 100 times weaker than Earth's. Yet, it is an extraordinary feature for a planet so small, one that sets it apart as a unique world in our solar neighborhood. As we venture further into Mercury's mysteries, we find its thin exosphere, a tenuous veil of particles, not an atmosphere as we know it. Made of atoms stripped from the surface by solar winds, this exosphere is constantly being replenished and carried away. A delicate dance between Mercury and the sun's fiery breath. One might wonder, how does a planet with no atmosphere, no water, and no life still manage to capture our imagination? The answer lies in its quiet solitude. Mercury, in its silence, reflects the essence of the cosmos. It is a reminder of the forces that shaped our solar system, of the fragility and resilience of worlds, and of the endless possibilities that lie beyond our reach. But Mercury is not just a planet of science, it is a planet of inspiration. Throughout history, it has been a symbol of speed and communication, named after the Roman god Mercury, the swift messenger of the gods. It reminds us that even in the harshest conditions, there is beauty and wonder to be found. As we stand here today, looking toward the stars, let us remember Mercury, the smallest, yet one of the most extraordinary worlds in our solar system. For in its craters, its core, and its quiet dance around the sun, Mercury tells a story of survival, of discovery, and of our place in the vast cosmic tapestry. Let us turn our gaze to the night sky and ponder Venus, the planet often described as Earth's twin. But make no mistake, though Venus and Earth share similar sizes and compositions, the world of Venus is a place unlike anything we could imagine here on Earth. It is both a reminder of what could have been and a lesson in the vast diversity of planetary evolution. Venus, named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty, is a dazzling beacon of light in the heavens, often visible to the naked eye at sunrise and sunset. Indeed, it is sometimes called the morning star or evening star. Its brilliance in the sky belies the fiery inferno that lies beneath its thick, yellowish clouds. The surface of Venus is a land of extremes. Temperatures soar to an unimaginable 475 degrees Celsius, 887 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead. This is due to Venus's runaway greenhouse effect, where its thick carbon dioxide atmosphere traps heat from the sun. Venus is, by far, the hottest planet in our solar system, outshining even Mercury, which is closer to the sun. The pressure at the surface is equally daunting, crushing at about 92 times that of Earth, equivalent to being a kilometre beneath the ocean. As we delve into its terrain, we find vast plains, majestic mountains, and enormous volcanic formations. Venus boasts the largest volcanic structure in the solar system, Maxwell Montes, a mountain towering over 11 kilometers, 7 miles high. Volcanoes such as Mont Mons reveal the planet's geologic activity, although Venus's crust does not appear to have tectonic plates like Earth's. But what makes Venus even more fascinating is its thick veil of clouds, primarily composed of sulfuric acid. These clouds enshroud the planet, giving it a mysterious golden glow. The winds in Venus's upper atmosphere whip around the planet at hurricane-like speeds, while its rotation is staggeringly slow. A single day on Venus lasts longer than a Venusian year. Yet, amidst this fiery chaos, Venus holds mysteries. Scientists have speculated about the possibility of microbial life in the planet's upper atmosphere, where conditions might be less extreme. Venus challenges our understanding of habitability, proving that life may find a way in the most unlikely places. Looking at Venus reminds us of the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. Venus shows us what happens when that balance is lost, offering profound lessons about the dangers of unchecked greenhouse gases and climate change. Venus, Earth's fiery twin, is a testament to the universe's power to create worlds both beautiful and daunting. It stands as a beacon in the night sky and a symbol of the duality of love and fury, a planet to study, to admire, and to ponder as we continue our journey among the stars.
Amidst the vast expanse of space, filled with countless stars and endless mysteries, there is one planet that stands out, not for its size or its position, but for its unparalleled beauty and its ability to harbor life. Our home, Earth. Earth is more than just a planet. It is a sanctuary, a masterpiece of cosmic artistry. From the moment astronauts first looked back at the pale blue dot from space, we were reminded of the fragility and uniqueness of our home. Covered in azure oceans, sprawling green forests, majestic mountain ranges, and vibrant deserts, Earth is a living mosaic, a symphony of ecosystems working in harmony. Unlike the other planets in our solar system, Earth has the perfect conditions for life. Its atmosphere is a delicate mixture of oxygen, nitrogen, and other gases, which shields us from the harshness of space and provides the air we breathe. Its moderate temperatures and abundance of liquid water make it a cradle of life, nurturing everything from the tiniest microorganisms to the largest mammals. No other planet, as far as we know, has this life-sustaining balance. The diversity of life on Earth is a marvel beyond comprehension. Consider the Amazon rainforest, often called the lungs of the planet, which produces 20% of the oxygen we breathe, or the deep oceans, which remain largely unexplored but hold secrets that could unlock the mysteries of life itself. And what about humanity? As stewards of this planet, we have the unique privilege and responsibility to protect its treasures. Yet, Earth is not just a scientific wonder, it is also a place of deep emotional connection. Its breathtaking sunsets, the sound of waves crashing against the shore, the rustling of leaves in the wind, these are experiences that remind us of our humanity, of our place in the grand tapestry of existence. But let us also remember that Earth's beauty is matched by its vulnerability. The challenges we face, climate change, deforestation, pollution, are reminders of how interconnected we are with the planet and how our actions ripple across ecosystems. It is our duty to preserve this planet not just for ourselves, but for future generations and for the countless species that share it with us. As we gaze toward the stars, dreaming of new frontiers and distant worlds, let us not forget the profound gift we already have. Earth is our home, our sanctuary, our blue jewel in the cosmos. It is a reminder of the miracle of life and the boundless possibilities of the universe. Mars, a planet of mystery, ambition, and endless fascination. Known as the Red Planet, Mars has been an enduring symbol of exploration and discovery, inspiring scientists, writers, and dreamers for centuries. Today, we embark on a journey to understand this fascinating world and what it means to humanity's future. Mars gets its signature reddish hue from iron oxide, commonly known as rust, which blankets its surface. As the fourth planet from the Sun, it is roughly half the size of Earth, but boasts a landscape that feels both eerily familiar and profoundly alien. Imagine vast deserts, towering mountains, and deep canyons, a world that mirrors Earth's geography, yet stands frozen in time. The surface of Mars is a tapestry of geological wonders. Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the solar system, towers over 21 kilometers, 13 miles high, nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Meanwhile, Valles Marineris, a canyon system spanning over 4,000 kilometers, 2,500 miles, makes Earth's Grand Canyon appear modest by comparison. These awe-inspiring features tell stories of volcanic eruptions, tectonic shifts, and ancient rivers that once carved their way across the Martian terrain. Mars was once a world of water, a fact that sparks our curiosity and fuels dreams of finding life beyond Earth. Scientists have discovered evidence of ancient riverbeds, lakes, and even oceans, suggesting that Mars may have been habitable billions of years ago. Today, traces of water exist in frozen polar ice caps and possibly beneath its surface, offering hope to those searching for extraterrestrial life. But Mars is more than just a scientific curiosity, it is humanity's next frontier. With its thin atmosphere, composed primarily of carbon dioxide, and a day length similar to Earth's, Mars is the most viable candidate for future colonization. Organizations like NASA and SpaceX are pioneering efforts to send humans to Mars, envisioning a world where humankind can establish a new home among the stars. The challenges are immense: surviving extreme temperatures, creating breathable air, and growing food in barren soil. Yet, the allure of Mars is undeniable. It represents the next step in our evolutionary journey, a chance to expand our presence beyond Earth and become a multiplanetary species. Mars also serves as a mirror to our own planet. Studying its geology and climate helps us understand Earth's past, present, and future. It is a reminder of the fragility of life and the importance of protecting our home while dreaming of new horizons. As we look toward the stars, Mars stands as a beacon of possibility, a world waiting to be explored, understood, and perhaps even claimed as our own. The red planet is no longer just a distant orb in the night sky. It is our future, our destiny, and the next chapter in the story of humanity. Let us cast our eyes toward the largest and most majestic of all the planets in our solar system, Jupiter. Often hailed as the king of planets, Jupiter's sheer size and power command awe and admiration. But beyond its grandeur lies a world of secrets, science, and intrigue. Jupiter is a colossal giant, so immense that it could fit all the other planets in our solar system inside it. Its mass is over 300 times that of Earth, and its diameter stretches nearly 11 times wider. This gas giant is composed mostly of hydrogen and helium, resembling a miniature star more than a terrestrial planet. Indeed, if Jupiter were larger, it might have become a star itself. One of Jupiter's most iconic features is the Great Red Spot, a swirling storm that has raged for centuries. This enormous tempest is twice the size of Earth and stands as a testament to the planet's dynamic atmosphere. Jupiter's clouds form intricate patterns of white, brown, yellow, and red, creating a mesmerizing display that captures the imagination. But Jupiter is far more than just a spectacle. Its magnetic field is the strongest in the solar system, extending far into space and protecting its many moons. These moons are a world unto themselves. Jupiter boasts a family of 92 known moons, each unique in its characteristics. Among them, the Galilean moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, stand out as celestial wonders. Io, with its hundreds of active volcanoes, is the most geologically active object in the solar system. Europa, with its icy surface and subsurface ocean, is a prime candidate for the search for extraterrestrial life. Ganymede, the largest moon in the solar system, even has its own magnetic field. And Callisto, ancient and battered by countless impacts, holds mysteries of its own. Jupiter's role in the solar system extends beyond its beauty. Its immense gravity acts as a cosmic protector, deflecting or capturing asteroids and comets that might otherwise threaten Earth. In this sense, Jupiter is not only a king, but also a guardian of our celestial neighborhood. Humanity's exploration of Jupiter has been equally impressive. NASA's Juno spacecraft has been orbiting Jupiter, sending back breathtaking images and invaluable data about the planet's atmosphere, magnetosphere, and composition. These missions deepen our understanding of how gas giants form and evolve, and they shed light on the origins of our solar system. Jupiter is a reminder of the universe's boundless possibilities, a world that sparks wonder and curiosity at every turn. It stands as a symbol of strength, beauty, and the unending drive to explore and understand the cosmos.
In the celestial symphony of the solar system, Saturn stands as one of its most extraordinary performers. Known as the jewel of the solar system, Saturn captivates observers with its stunning rings and majestic presence. Today, let us embark on a journey to explore this gas giant and the wonders it holds. Saturn, the sixth planet from the Sun, is the second largest in our solar system, surpassed only by Jupiter. Despite its immense size, over 95 times the mass of Earth, it is remarkably light, with an average density so low that it could float in water if placed in an enormous cosmic ocean. The defining feature of Saturn is, of course, its rings. Composed primarily of ice particles and rock, the rings span an impressive 270,000 kilometers, 167,770 miles, yet are astonishingly thin, only about 10 meters thick in most places. These rings, divided into 7 main sections labeled A through G, create a spectacle that has inspired artists, poets, and scientists alike. Some of the particles are as tiny as grains of sand, while others are as large as houses, shimmering under the light of the sun like diamonds in the cosmos. But Saturn is not only about its rings. Its complex atmosphere tells a story of dynamic weather patterns and mysterious phenomena. The planet is cloaked in layers of hydrogen and helium, adorned with subtle bands and hues of yellow, gold, and brown. Powerful storms occasionally sweep across its surface, including the mysterious hexagonal storm at the North Pole, a phenomenon unique to Saturn and still a topic of scientific study. Saturn's family of moons adds another layer of wonder to this giant. With over 150 known moons and moonlets, Saturn's moons are as diverse as they are numerous. Among them, Titan stands out as a world of its own, a moon larger than Mercury, with a thick atmosphere and lakes of liquid methane and ethane. Titan is one of the most promising locations for studying the building blocks of life beyond Earth. Then there's Enceladus, a smaller moon that astonishes scientists with its icy surface and the geysers of water vapor shooting into space. Beneath its frozen crust lies a subsurface ocean, making Enceladus another prime candidate in the search for extraterrestrial life. Other moons, such as Mimas, Tethys, Dione, and Iapetus, each have unique features that tell a story of their interactions with Saturn and its rings. Saturn plays a critical role in the solar system, its immense gravity influencing the orbits of other celestial objects. It is a planet that invites exploration, curiosity, and wonder. Humanity's fascination with Saturn has been brought to life through missions like NASA's Cassini spacecraft, which spent over a decade orbiting Saturn, uncovering its secrets and sending back stunning images. These missions remind us of the importance of exploration and the beauty of discovery. Saturn stands as a symbol of the universe's ability to create beauty on an unimaginable scale. It is a planet that inspires us to look beyond ourselves, to dream of worlds far away, and to celebrate the wonders of the cosmos. Let us venture further into the outer reaches of the solar system to uncover the secrets of Uranus, a planet as unique as it is mysterious. Often referred to as an ice giant, Uranus challenges our understanding of planetary science and stands out as one of the most intriguing worlds in our cosmic neighborhood. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun, orbiting at a staggering distance of about 2.9 billion kilometers, 1.8 billion miles. Despite being the third largest planet in terms of diameter, Uranus is often overshadowed by its larger siblings, Jupiter and Saturn. Yet, it has qualities that set it apart from every other planet in our solar system. One of Uranus's most remarkable features is its axial tilt. Unlike any other planet, Uranus rotates on its side with an axial tilt of 98 degrees. This unique orientation means that each of its poles experiences 42 years of continuous sunlight, followed by 42 years of darkness. Scientists believe this dramatic tilt may be the result of a colossal collision with another celestial body billions of years ago, a cosmic event that forever shaped the planet's destiny. Uranus is an ice giant, composed mostly of water, ammonia, and methane ices, as well as hydrogen and helium. The methane in its atmosphere is what gives Uranus its stunning pale blue color. The planet's atmosphere is cold and mysterious, with temperatures plummeting to -224 degrees Celsius, -371 degrees Fahrenheit, making Uranus the coldest planet in the solar system. Beneath its tranquil exterior lie powerful winds that sweep across the planet at speeds of up to 900 kilometers per hour, 560 miles per hour. Surrounding Uranus is a faint system of rings, less prominent than those of Saturn but equally fascinating. The rings, composed of dark, icy particles, are divided into 13 known sections. These delicate structures add to Uranus's mystique, making it a planet of understated beauty. Uranus is accompanied by a family of 27 known moons, each named after characters from the works of William Shakespeare and Alexander Pope. Among these, Titania and Oberon, named after the king and queen of the fairies from A Midsummer Night's Dream, are the largest. Miranda, one of the smallest moons, surprises scientists with its bizarre patchwork surface, hinting at a history of dramatic geological activity. Despite its many wonders, Uranus remains one of the least explored planets in our solar system. Only one spacecraft, NASA's Voyager 2, has ever visited Uranus, flying past the planet in 1986 and capturing its first close-up images. Since then, Uranus has remained an enigma, beckoning us to return and uncover its secrets. Uranus is a testament to the diversity and complexity of our solar system. It challenges us to think beyond the familiar and embrace the unknown. As we continue to explore the cosmos, Uranus reminds us that even the coldest, quietest corners of the universe hold stories waiting to be told. As we venture to the outer reaches of our solar system, we arrive at Neptune, a planet shrouded in mystery and wonder. Known as the Blue Giant, Neptune is the eighth and farthest planet from the Sun, a world where winds roar at supersonic speeds, and its azure hue enchants all who gaze upon it. Neptune's striking blue appearance is due to the presence of methane in its atmosphere, which absorbs red light and reflects the stunning blue that we see. Yet, Neptune's beauty belies its turbulent nature. It is a dynamic world of storms, with the fastest winds in the solar system, reaching speeds of up to 2,100 kilometers per hour, 1,300 miles per hour. One of its most famous features, the Great Dark Spot, is a storm system comparable to Jupiter's Great Red Spot. Although temporary, these storms demonstrate the raw power of Neptune's volatile atmosphere. This ice giant, composed mostly of water, ammonia, and methane ices, along with hydrogen and helium, is a realm of extremes. Temperatures plunge to a frigid -214 degrees Celsius, -353 degrees Fahrenheit, making it one of the coldest places in our solar system. Despite this, Neptune radiates more heat than it receives from the distant Sun, a mystery that continues to intrigue scientists. Neptune's gravitational pull dominates a vast region known as the Kuiper Belt, home to icy bodies and dwarf planets like Pluto. This connection highlights Neptune's influence on the architecture of our solar system, shaping the orbits of countless celestial objects. Surrounding Neptune are its faint rings, composed of dust and ice particles. These rings, while not as prominent as Saturn's, add to the planet's mystique. Neptune's moons further enrich its story, 14 in total, each unique and captivating. Among them, Triton is the most extraordinary. Triton, Neptune's largest moon, is an icy world that orbits in the opposite direction of Neptune's rotation, suggesting that it was likely captured from the Kuiper Belt. Geysers of nitrogen erupt from Triton's surface, hinting at the possibility of a subsurface ocean and making it a tantalizing target in the search for signs of life. Despite its distant location, Neptune has not escaped humanity's curiosity. In 1989, NASA's Voyager 2 spacecraft provided us with the first close-up images of Neptune, revealing its mesmerizing beauty and dynamic atmosphere. Since then, Neptune has remained an enigma, waiting for humanity to return and uncover its secrets. Neptune is a testament to the diversity and wonder of our solar system. It challenges us to look beyond the familiar and embrace the mysteries of the cosmos. As we dream of exploring distant worlds, let Neptune serve as a reminder of the beauty and complexity that lies within our celestial neighborhood. Let us turn our attention to a celestial marvel that has captivated humanity for millennia: the Sun. It is more than just a star. It is the life-giving force at the very heart of our solar system. For billions of years, it has illuminated our skies and nurtured our world. The Sun is a magnificent sphere of fiery gases, primarily composed of hydrogen and helium. Within its core, nuclear fusion transforms hydrogen into helium, releasing an extraordinary amount of energy. It is this process that generates the heat and light we depend on every day. To appreciate the scale of the Sun, consider this. Its diameter is 109 times larger than that of Earth, and its immense surface reaches temperatures of around 5,500 degrees Celsius. Yet, at its core, it blazes at a staggering 15 million degrees Celsius, a true testament to its power. Beyond its sheer size and strength, the Sun is the engine of life. It drives weather patterns, ocean currents, and enables the miracle of photosynthesis, empowering plants to produce oxygen and sustain life. Every ray of sunlight that graces our planet is a gift, a lifeline connecting us to the cosmos. And here's a fun fact to ponder. The light we see today embarked on its journey from the Sun approximately 8 minutes and 20 seconds ago. That simple detail serves as a reminder of the vastness and interconnectedness of our universe. In the tapestry of the night sky, one celestial object stands as an eternal companion to Earth: the Moon. It has inspired poets, guided travelers, and fueled humanity's imagination for centuries. Today, let us uncover the story of this luminous wonder that graces our heavens. The Moon is Earth's only natural satellite, a steadfast presence orbiting our planet at an average distance of 384,400 kilometers, 238,855 miles. Its surface, marked by craters, mountains, and vast plains of solidified lava known as Maria, tells a story of ancient collisions and geological processes that date back billions of years. One of the Moon's most captivating features is its phases, as it waxes and wanes in a graceful cycle lasting 29.5 days. These phases result from the interplay of sunlight, Earth, and the Moon's position in space, offering us a celestial rhythm that has influenced cultures, calendars, and tides for millennia. Speaking of tides, the Moon's gravitational pull plays a critical role in Earth's natural processes. By creating tidal forces, it shapes our oceans, stabilizes Earth's axial tilt, and ensures a balanced climate conducive to life. Without the Moon, Earth would be a vastly different world. The Moon is also a portal to humanity's aspirations. In 1969, Humanity achieved the seemingly impossible when astronauts from the Apollo 11 mission stepped onto the moon's surface, uttering the immortal words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." The moon became a symbol of exploration, ingenuity, and our ability to transcend boundaries. But the story of the moon doesn't end there. Scientists continue to study it, uncovering valuable insights into Earth's own history and the early solar system. From the search for water in shadowed craters to plans for lunar bases that could serve as stepping stones for Mars missions, the moon remains at the heart of humanity's quest to understand the cosmos. Beyond science, the moon connects us emotionally and culturally. It has inspired countless myths, legends, and works of art, serving as a muse for writers and artists. Its tranquil beauty, glowing softly against the night sky, reminds us of the wonder and mystery of the universe. Thank you. Please give us your like and subscribe.